So this is a video about my experience doing internet marketing and primarily Google Ads for the fire safety industry, having to do with fire sprinklers, fire alarm, fire extinguishers, kitchen suppression systems, backflow, underground piping, all that stuff. Handled all the Google Ads and social media and blogging and video production. And one thing I learned is that there's several ways to get customers in the fire safety industry. The primary way is obviously referrals, obviously having a good relationship with general contractors. But the leads that come in over the internet are very unique. These people are calling the fire safety company because they don't have a good relationship with another fire safety company, or they're looking for a new one. And the people that are calling more often than not are investors and business owners. There's a few GCs calling in, but a lot of GCs already have their favorite fire safety company. So the best thing you can do is treat your general contractors like gold, as long as the amount of lies they're telling you are minimal. And you have to learn, well, the one thing we had to learn is how to handle the phone calls from investors, building owners, small business owners, and smaller general contractors. But the other thing we had to learn is to make sure we answered every single phone call and checked every single lead form fill. And if you do that, you can turn, man, we had a closing ratio of 5 out of 10 on people that were calling for new fire alarm installations, which was insane. We had a closing ratio of 1 out of 20 for people calling for fire sprinkler installations. Although our estimator, when we first started, was just very gut driven. And I think a lot of deals got taken off to the side. And fire extinguisher, man, if we got calls for fire extinguisher inspections or new fire extinguisher installations or anything like that, man, we were closing 8 out of 10 of those phone calls. You know, you give them a price, you tell them you can do it, you tell them when you can do it, and send them an estimate for them to click accept. You know, it really wasn't that hard. The kitchen systems, restaurants did shop around. Restaurants do wait too long to do the kitchen systems. You do get there and they're dirty as heck. But we probably closed half of the new people that called for that. Because a lot of times it was just the manager looking for the cheapest price, or it was the owner or the corporate office just looking for it to get done really quick. But we used Google Ads. That was our number one driver. We used Facebook, and blogging helped a lot with SEO. We had pretty strong SEO. And so that's my experience in that. If you do own a fire safety company doing backflow repair, installation, fire sprinklers, commercial fire alarms, kitchen suppression systems, anything like that, paint booth suppression, repair or installation or design, any of that stuff, give me a call. I can help you set up the campaign, teach you how to do it and manage it. When we're done, I can manage it for you, or you can manage it yourself and save a monthly fee. But you can use my experience to your advantage. Chris Guidry with Sefri Agency.